Hey style lovers! In this style guide, we explore how to style thigh-high boots with statement outfits for Fashion Week street appearances, where boldness, creativity, and strong visual identity come together to create impactful and memorable look in highly photographed environments. Fashion Week setting often demand outfits that stand out while still maintaining a sense of structure and intentional styling, making thigh-high boots an ideal statement piece. These boots naturally elongate the leg and create a dramatic silhouette that draws attention. When paired with carefully selected clothing, they can elevate even simple outfit into standout ensembles. The goal is to balance boldness with control, avoiding excessive styling while maintaining visual impact. Let's explore how to achieve this balance effectively. Start by selecting thigh-high boots that fit securely and comfortably, ensuring that they maintain their shape while allowing ease of movement throughout the day. Pairing them with statement outfits such as oversized coats, structured dresses, or layered ensembles create a strong and balanced look. The boot should complement the outfit rather than compete with it. Neutral tone often work best, allowing flexibility in styling and create harmony. Layering play a significant role in fashion work styling. It allows for creativity while maintaining practicality in changing environments. Combining structured outerwear with lighter inner layer can create depth and dimension. The key is to ensure that layers enhance the boot rather than hide them. Proportion is essential. Keep the look balanced and visually clear. Color coordination should be approached strategically using either monochrome palette or carefully selected contrast to maintain visual harmony while still allowing the outfit to stand out. Bold colors can be used, but they should be controlled and intentional. These designs are totally game changer for your wardrobe. They are not only fashionable but also incredibly versatile. Whether you are going for a chic, edgy look or a classy, sophisticated vibe, these beautiful outfits have got you covered. You will feel like a fashion icon in these stunning pieces. So, my dear friends, styling thigh-high boots for Fashion Week street appearances is about embracing boldness while maintaining control, ensuring that each element contribute to a cohesive and impactful look. This approach allows you to express individuality with confidence while maintaining visual clarity. Each choice should feel deliberate and well balanced. This defines modern statement fashion where confidence leads the style. Thanks a lot for watching the video till the end. We will meet soon in another video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Keep smiling, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel, keep watching my videos.